Welcome to this pronunciation lesson. Today, we will learn how to distinguish between two important English sounds, SH and CH. These sounds are often confused by English learners, but with practice, you will master the difference. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to produce these sounds correctly and use them in real conversations. Many English learners confuse the SH and CH sounds. This confusion can cause miscommunication in real conversations. For example, the word ship is completely different from chip. Shake is different from choke. Wish is different from which. Learning to distinguish these sounds is essential for clear communication and better English pronunciation. Let us learn how to produce the SH sound. The SH sound is represented by the phonetic symbol /sh/. To make this sound, position your tongue toward the middle and back of the roof of your mouth. Round your lips forward slightly. Allow air to flow smoothly through your mouth without any interruption. The result is a continuous, smooth hissing sound, like when you say shhhh to tell someone to be quiet. This is the SH sound. Now let us learn the CH sound. The CH sound is represented by the phonetic symbol /TSH/. To make this sound, place your tongue tip against the ridge behind your upper teeth. Spread your lips slightly, not round them. This is different from the SH sound. Make a quick T sound, then release it explosively with a sharp CH burst. Think of it as combining the letter T with the SH sound, but very quickly. This produces the sharp, explosive CH sound. Here is the key difference in mouth position. For the SH sound, your lips are rounded and pushed forward, and your tongue is positioned toward the middle and back of the roof of your mouth. This creates a smooth airflow. For the CH sound, your lips are spread apart, not rounded, your tongue tip touches the ridge behind your teeth, and you release air with a quick burst. Remember, SH equals smooth airflow with rounded lips. CH equals sharp burst with spread lips. Let us practice common words with the SH sound. Listen carefully to each word. Ship, shop, fish, wish, push, rush, brush, shoe. All of these words contain the smooth SH sound. Repeat after me. Ship, shop, wish. Pay attention to how your lips are rounded and how the sound flows continuously without stopping. Now let us practice common words with the CH sound. Listen to each word. Chip, chop, rich, beach, chair, church, lunch, watch. All of these words contain the sharp CH sound. Repeat after me. Chip, chop, rich. Notice how each word has that quick, explosive CH burst at the beginning or in the middle of the word. Minimal pairs are two words that differ by only one sound. This is the best way to train your ear and mouth. Listen carefully to these pairs: ship versus chip, shop versus chop, sheep versus cheap. These pairs sound very similar, but they are completely different. The only difference is the first sound, SH versus CH. Repeat each pair several times. Listen for the smooth SH sound, then the sharp CH sound. This practice will help you master the difference. Here is how to practice listening. Listen to native speakers slowly and carefully. Focus on the lip and tongue position of the speaker. Train your ear to hear the difference between smooth SH and sharp CH. Listen to slow-motion audio if possible. Repeat immediately after hearing each word. The key difference is that SH is a continuous sound, while CH has a stop at the beginning. Practice listening daily for best results. Now let us practice speaking these sounds. Exaggerate your mouth movements when you practice slowly. Practice the SH sound with rounded lips and smooth airflow. Practice the CH sound with spread lips and a sharp tongue tap. Record yourself speaking and compare your recording to native speaker audio. Watch yourself in a mirror while practicing. This will help you see if your mouth position is correct. Mirror practice is very effective for pronunciation improvement. Congratulations! You have now learned the key differences between SH and CH. Remember, SH is a continuous smooth sound with rounded lips. CH is a sharp sound with a quick stop and burst with spread lips. Practice daily with these examples: ship versus chip, shop versus chop, wish versus which. With consistent practice, you will master these sounds and your English pronunciation will improve significantly. Keep practicing and you will hear the results in your speaking.
If you like this video, Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.